Have you ever stopped to ponder why so many successful people attribute their achievements to a simple yet powerful habit, reading? Reading is not merely a pastime, it's a portal to unbounded knowledge, a catalyst for personal growth, and a cornerstone of success. So why is reading so essential? The answer lies in the myriad of benefits it offers. Reading cultivates the mind, fosters empathy, and broadens horizons. It's an age-old tradition that has stood the test of time and continues to be one of the most effective ways to acquire knowledge and stimulate intellectual curiosity. When you immerse yourself in a book, you're not just flipping through pages filled with words. You're embarking on a journey of exploration where each sentence offers insights and each paragraph builds a wealth of wisdom. Reading pushes the boundaries of your imagination, making the impossible seem possible and the improbable probable. Reading also has the power to ignite empathy. When you delve into a story, you step into the shoes of characters, experiencing their joys, their sorrows, their trials, and their triumphs. This vicarious journey fosters understanding and compassion, making you more empathetic towards others' experiences and perspectives. Moreover, reading broadens horizons. It takes you to places you've never been, introduces you to people you've never met, and exposes you to ideas you've never encountered. This expansion of perspective encourages open-mindedness, a trait highly valued in today's diverse and interconnected world. But the benefits of reading extend beyond the intellectual and emotional realms. It also has a robust impact on your well-being. It reduces stress, improves focus, and even enhances sleep quality. It's a holistic approach to self-improvement, nurturing not just the mind, but also the body and soul. In summary, reading is not just a hobby. It's a powerful habit that nurtures the mind, fosters empathy, broadens horizons, and promotes well-being. It's a key that unlocks potential, a tool that sharpens intellect, and a habit that paves the path to success. So, the next time you find yourself with some free time, consider picking up a book. Immerse yourself in its pages, journey through its chapters, and let its words transform you. Because, as Mark Twain once said, "The man who does not read has no advantage over the man who cannot read." And remember, the world belongs to those who read. So, go ahead, unlock your potential with the habit of reading.